To integrate the Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform, start by creating an Afterpay merchant account and obtaining your API keys. The API keys are used to authenticate your API requests, so keep them secure. Next, choose the API integration method that best suits your business needs. Either server-to-server or client-side integration. Server-to-server integration is recommended for most merchants as it provides more security and flexibility. Once you have chosen your integration method, you will need to set up the Afterpay payment button on your checkout page. This button will redirect your customers to the Afterpay payment page where they can complete their purchase. After setting up the payment button, you will need to handle the API responses and webhooks. The API responses will provide you with the payment status and other relevant information, while the webhooks will notify you of any changes to the payment status. It is also important to handle errors and exceptions properly to ensure a smooth payment experience for your customers. You can do this by implementing error handling mechanisms and logging any errors that occur. To test your integration, use the Afterpay sandbox environment to simulate payments and test your error handling mechanisms. This will ensure that your integration is working correctly and that you are handling errors properly. Finally, once you have tested your integration, you can go live and start accepting Afterpay payments from your customers. It is recommended that you monitor your integration regularly to ensure that it continues to work correctly and that you are providing the best possible payment experience for your customers. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate the Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform and provide your customers with a secure and convenient payment option.